In this video, we'll teach you exactly how to use this operator and go over a couple of common troubleshooting questions. Using greater than or equal to. Select the cell that will hold the formula. Type the formula. Value can be numbers or reference cells. Press Enter. The cell will populate with the result from the formula, which will be either true or false. Troubleshooting. I can't get a greater than or equal to formula to work with text. Greater than or equal to works best with numbers. If you're using textual data instead of numerical, try switching to numbers. Otherwise, you may need to use a different function. My greater than or equal to formula isn't working with numbers. Check to make sure your cells have the right data type. Highlight the cells, right-click, and select Format Cells. Then, in the Number tab, make sure the data type is set to General or Number. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.